world's best pre-workout in my personal humble opinion. To head out. I wanted to wear this t-shirt because it's a leg day, specifically hamstrings and quads. So I'm going to take you guys with me to the gym. We're going to mix up our supplements and I'll show you guys my updated leg day routine. Not glutes though, because I already did glutes on Monday. So that'll be another video if you guys are interested. But if you guys want to shop Gymshark, you already know discount code LaShay10 will get you guys money off. I'm wearing a really old style that they really haven't brought back. It's just their regular banjo bra. Love this one. This one has the straps that are adjustable and not detachable. And then I'm wearing Lazuli Scrunch Sculpt biker shorts in the dark brown. I love to mix and match my Gymshark with everything else that I have in my workout collection. And of course it wouldn't be a quad day without an oversized t-shirt, so that's just my go-to. And then we're gonna pick out a perfume today. I kind of want to use up the rest. I don't know, maybe I'll wear Drake. Did y'all know Drake has a fragrance line, also candles as well? This is his newer scent in Summer Mink and it smells really good. It's unisex, so I'll like this for you guys if you're interested. It's definitely a unique scent. If you like Flower Bomb, I think you will also really like this one. So mix my supplements with me. If you know me, you know this is my combo, okay? So I already have everything out. I recently ordered from EHP Labs and got a re-up on my favorite flavor in the Hectic. This is the best pre-workout, the world's best pre-workout in my personal humble opinion, and it tastes the best. I like all the flavors, and then I mix it with creatine. I'm almost out of this. There's 100 servings. exposure. What is up, you guys? I just got out of the gym getting gas right now. I need to get a bigger size in my knee sleeves. The Gymshark ones I have are in a large. I need an extra large because my legs, I guess, are too thick. So I'm waiting for those to come back in stock so I can order them, and then I can actually start to lift a little bit heavier. And today I didn't go super heavy because I'm on my cycle, but I still push myself. I tried a new machine today, which was the leg extensions, the single leg variation with the plates instead of the peg, and I kind of like that one. So I've been challenging myself to use new equipment in the gym to switch up my routine. Same similar exercises, but just a different variation. And I got to film every single workout today before the gym got super busy. So that is like my updated full leg day. Well, let's just say quads and hammies because I didn't really do glutes. I do warm up on the abductor just to kind of open up my hips and stuff, and I always do that no matter what I'm doing. Yeah, my whole thing is try new things out because you never know if you're gonna like it, if you get bored in the gym. Sometimes it's not the gym, it's just you need to switch and tweak things up. So I'm gonna start using those machines that I showed you guys. Pendulum squat is still very new to me. That was probably my 3rd or 4th time using it, and I'm getting better at it. Like the weight isn't feeling as heavy, so feeling really good about that. But I'm gonna get out of here because it's a hot box